1,000 subscribers has never ever been this easy before. Look, if you've been on this space for a long time and been struggling to get subscribers, come closer, because this video is for you and this is going to work. If you try this method I'm about to tell you now, you're going to get nothing less than 1,000 subscribers. But you can even get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. I said it, 24 hours, especially if you take action upon seeing this video, especially on the weekends. This strategy works more on the weekends. Why do I say it works more on the weekends? Because people are on their phones, parents are home, kids are home, so everybody are scrolling through their phones and YouTube and different social media platforms, and this is easy for you to get your 1,000 subscribers. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, hello, hi, bon dia, botadi, bon noichi. My name is Ebere Henrietta, but you can call me Etta. Help small YouTubers grow and win on this space so we can achieve what? Monetization. So without wasting most of our time, let's go into the video. So I'll show you how to utilize this method. It works. I was able to grow an account from zero, a brand new account created from zero to over 900 subscribers in less than 7 days, guys, organically without paying a dime. Scratch that. We hit 1,010 subscribers before I could finish editing this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your 1,000 subscriber as well without showing your face. And look, I want to give you a secret. Take this opportunity and grow an account. Just create a YouTube account now and grow it to 1,000 subscribers, and just leave that account, because when you're going to need it, this hack may not be there anymore, and you may not be able to grow your account easily. Okay, so make use of this opportunity. It's a big advantage. So now back to our video. Now here is how it works. This is the account. I created it on 20th of November 2025, and today is 27th of November. And when I created this account, I did not post immediately on this account. I think I posted 2 days later on this account. You know, I started trying out this hack on it, and this is 27th barely. So I'll just say it's within 5 days, within the space of 5 days. Look at the views, 72,350 views in 5 days, guys. And look, now we have 958 subscribers, organic subscribers. This is not something you have to buy or bots come messing up your account and your channel. So now this video on how to do this as a faceless channel, if you watch my previous video, you see where I explained how to go about it. I talked about so many things in detail, so you may want to watch that video to understand some important factors to consider before choosing to try out this method and this hack. Okay, I'll just be direct with this because I had talked about it before. So you have to go to the channel prosperity.x. Let's say we want to use this first video. So what we're going to do is take a screenshot of the title, okay? And now we need to also take a screenshot of the thumbnail that they used. So now we want to use this one that says extra, because look, it has more views, 5.8 million views. So it shows that there's a lot of engagement on it. So now this is where you're going to click. You see this circle with a plus at the bottom of this action buttons here. Just click on it. You see collab. Tap on these 15 seconds at the top. Tap on that 15 seconds, stretch the video to the end, and click on next. Instead of showing your face like this, all you need to do is turn your camera over to an object. I'll just turn my speaker over and start recording. Okay, now you can see it's recording. After the recording is done, this way you're not showing your face. You just allow the object to occupy that space. That way you're doing it. You might want to keep your phone on a stable object. Okay, keep it on something stable so as to help the video to be stable enough. This is one method you can use. And now this is what the video looks like. Okay, this is the speaker. So here you can either type like and subscribe, just to give more urgency, you know, to the video that they need to take action, because what gives you the subscriptions and the likes and the engagement is the call to action, what we call CTA. See, you may really want to go check the video I posted before this one. You understand the basics of everything, why this works, if it's going to hurt your channel, if it's good for your channel or it's bad for your channel. Okay, so but on this video I want to focus basically on how you can do it without showing your face. All I need to do is next, so it's processing the video. Now we took a screenshot of their title. All we need to do is we come to this screenshot we took. Things kids very much hate edition. All we need to do is copy this title, okay, just everything that the creator wrote, we have to copy it, paste on it. So there was an emoji that was used, angry face. Let's go copy the remaining text, okay. Put a finger down, put a finger down, edition. Oh my dears. So now this is exactly what the creator wrote as their title. Remember, we also took a screenshot of the thumbnail, okay. So this is what it shows, extra and a robot looking stuff, okay. So now we have to look for that part where that looks like a robot. It says extra, so this is it. Exactly. So this is what it looks like. Now we have our own videos looking like the creator's video, the thumbnail, the title and everything, okay. So this is what you need to do. After doing it, you just publish it, okay. So about these buttons, you need to go check the previous video to understand as well. But here basically I talked about leaving the comment on, either leaving it on public or private and all of that. So I want to unlist this because I don't want to publish it. I'll just put it as a draft, okay. I'll save it to draft. So but now I want to also show you other methods, all right. So this is what you can also do. I can just move my hands just to make movements, or put it over my other phone, you know. I place my other phone against the phone. So this is what I'm talking about here. So I have my other phone there, just basically playing the same thing without showing my face, because I don't want my face everywhere on YouTube plastered with this same thing, okay. So I don't use my face on one of those channels. So what you just do is put your phone across it and it's showing basically the same thing, and you're just doing your thing. After that, just post it and wait for the magic to happen. That's it, guys. And I mean, if you get your 1,000 subscribers, don't forget to come to the comment of this video to say it worked for me. Please, at this point, I'm going to also beg you, please subscribe to my channel. And if you try this hack, it works for you, don't forget to come and say thank you and subscribe to our channel, because I'll be trying out so many new things so that you people will grow. We all grow on this space and we all win on this space, okay. So I hope you found this helpful. I'm back to my channel. I intend making more videos like this, making more research as to things that's going to help you guys very much. If you want detailed explanation about this, on the pros and the cons, and if it's going to affect your channel or your monetization and all of that, do well to check this video, because I made a detailed explanation there on how this works, the pros and the cons to this video. And if you want to grow and get more visibility, do well to check this video on how to place timestamps on your video, because this will help you rank in Google search and on YouTube search as well. On this channel, I'm all about growing together as small YouTubers so that we can all achieve monetization. All right, see you in the next one. Ciao, guys.